So I'm feeling pretty tired. I'm gonna get sober because it's just like too much for me. Do you see my little friends? And I found a third one today in my bathroom. Brown recluse spiders. Identified with Lens. Since my word seems to be no good, my pain seems to be no good, my experience seems to be useless. God, I try so hard to not be cynical, but like it's just like, how do you take something like that lightly? Like, I will forever be a changed person. Sometimes even I find myself not shaving every day because I just want to live. I don't know if I should move out of the United States or if I should stay. One thing for certain I know is that I'm getting sober, and the next thing that I know is things will work out for me.